So we have a functional Arduino interface for a standard keyboard connection. This is using QMK and a Pro Micro, but it doesn't really matter. It can connect to whatever we've got. So this key right here, that's the key right there. And we've got our leads connected, and those are going to this transistor control right there. And that transistor has a buzzer attached to it on the base and an LED as well. So when it triggers, it kicks those things off just for, illustrative purposes. But let's go ahead and delete these. There we go. Now we can do this. The buzz and a flash, and we got that. This is a rotary encoder. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. And I've got this programmed so that it holds down if you click. So I can click it. Well, that's halfway. That's actually a halfway click that I have it programmed for. It's a weird trick of the timing. If you turn a full click, if you turn a half click, it bursts. Pretty cool. But then if you push the button in, you can click it. Come on. And if I hold it down, that's like a full key repeat. So that's pretty cool. So that'll work on any keyboard really, just because it's connected straight through. I wasn't sure if we'd be able to do it this way, but it's using an NPN transistor, and this is a regular nano, which I will soon be mounting to this entire keyboard setup along with the OLED and this rotary encoder. And I'll be giving it a nice little custom wheelie dial right here. I'm going to have to remove these keys to make space for it, but that'll be pretty neat. Guess that's it. I'll let you know how it goes.